if ever I do this. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. It's really helped me too. That I have a buy phone. If I do that. It's so funny. You should buy another third phone. So the first one is you're watching my live. And the second one, you use that for your work. And the third one, use that for your translator. So you would understand what I'm saying. I just download app and then learn some Tagalog. That's probably easier. Yes, you should learn some Tagalog too. So you would understand. Hmm. So you don't need your translator anymore. With only like 5 words. 5 words everything. Like, mahal kita. Um, like in a simple word, like na, sa, um, like a, just a simple word. I know that, and kamusta. Oo. Kamusta? Oo, mahal kita. Um, ano pa ba? Yun, ano pa ba? Like, salamat. Ano yung salamat? Yes. And I know that that's gonna trigger because it's the same. Yes. And you learn, kumain ka na to. Like, did you eat already? Kumain ka na in Tagalog. Um, ano pa ba? Yung ano pa ba yun? Ano bang English ng ano pa ba? Yun, ano pa ba? What else?